Hi beauties, welcome back to our channel. Welcome to another video, and in this one I thought I would do something a little bit different and walk you through an unboxing of our best-selling handbags. Something that we noticed is that when you guys first learn about our brand, you do a lot of research on the handbags and you like to watch YouTube reviews of the bags because I've been getting a lot of feedback from our customers like, hey, I really love to see the bags on YouTube just to see exactly how everything looks, because I know when you first find our brand on Instagram, it's kind of hard to tell, like, okay, is this a legit brand? Like, are these bags good quality? What am I gonna really get? So to kind of ease your mind a little bit, I just wanted to walk you through the experience. I'm gonna try to be like as honest and impartial as possible, just to show you, you know, what you can expect if you do purchase with us. And there are also some other amazing reviews on YouTube from people that have purchased from us. They were like not sponsored at all. People just purchased and decided to review. So we will link them somewhere here on the screen, just so you can check those out as well. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So I had my warehouse team pack an order for me just so I can show you guys how this exactly looks. So when you receive an order from us, you're going to get it in this packaging that shows Mersi. Say hello to your new favorite bag, and this is just branded with Mersi, which is the handbag brand that we have. And then inside you're going to have the bags that you ordered. Inside of the packaging you also have two inserts. One insert which tells you a little bit more about the Mersi brand, has a quick description here, and also, fun fact, you can scan this QR code to watch a video on us creating the brand, designing the bags, and just the behind the scenes, which is really fun. And then you're also going to get the Vegan Warehouse note card, which we give to all customers, which notifies you that your purchase helped us donate to animal sanctuaries. And here it has some of the animals that we sponsor. If you don't know this, we do work with the Catskill Animal Sanctuary, and we donate 10% of our profits to their sanctuary every month. I thought that for the purposes of this video, I would unbox two of our best-selling bags, the Alicia Crossbody and the Ruby Crossbody, just because they're the most popular, so that's likely something that, you know, you may be interested in buying. So first things first, every bag comes in this plastic packaging that is actually made from fully recycled plastic, just so we don't contribute to, you know, more pollution. But we found that shipping in this type of plastic is the best protection for the bags, so it really keeps it, you know, from any like moisture or any dirt that can get on it during shipping. So it just has the information that this is made with recycled materials and the PETA certified logo. We worked hard to get PETA certified, okay? So now that we are, we're gonna brag about it. Okay, and the Ruby also comes with extra protection of this little foam because it has all the studded detail. So we want to make sure that that's protected. That's why the foam comes there, so that you don't get any dents or anything, and nothing happens to the studs. The clasp, closure, our logo here. So what you're going to see is that inside the bag has a logo here as well, and then it is stuffed with a bunch of stuff that comes with the bag. So the first thing, which people tend to really like, is that the bag comes with a dust bag that has our logo as well, and it's a nice soft material. That way you can store the bag, you know, safely if you're gonna put it in your closet or whatnot, just so it doesn't get damaged. You know, you could just store it in the dust bag, which is really nice. And then inside you have the straps. So the Ruby Crossbody comes with two straps, and they are packaged like so. This strap, which is typically everybody's favorite, comes with this little protection here, which is the printed strap. It is actually double-sided, so it has this print on this side, but for the most part people use this print, and it is adjustable. It can be quite long here as a crossbody, and then you can adjust it all the way to the shorter side if you want to wear it just as a shoulder bag. So adjustable strap here, and then it comes also with the plain strap protected in the plastic, and the plain strap has studs. So if you're not really into the print, you're going to have the studded strap. The studded strap is adjustable here, but I have to say it's a crossbody strap. It's not adjustable enough like this one for you to wear it just like as a short shoulder bag. It's too long for that. So this one will only work really as a crossbody strap, just so you know. You basically have two options to style this bag, whether you want a pop of color or whether you want a plain studded strap. And then inside you have our signature new Mersi lining, which is this cute pink. And let me know what you guys think, because we introduced this lining recently, so some of the older bags still have like a brown lining. And then we have a tag that just kind of shows you how to take care of the bag, so it's a care label inside here. And then inside you have a zipper pocket right here and a flat pocket, which you can use for your phone or whatnot. Now, in terms of the size of the bag, it is a smaller bag. So just so you are aware, it's a smaller bag. You're not gonna fit like a ton of stuff in here, but it does fit. I have the largest like phone, the Max, and it does fit that phone very easily. And you know, your wallet and like makeup, essential stuff like that, it will fit. But it's so cute. You can also wear it as a clutch. I actually had an event recently and I just wore it as a clutch, which was kind of cute too. By the way, the Ruby comes in black, it comes in red, and currently we also have 2 seasonal colors out, the blue pearl and the pink pearl, which are like metallic colors. But the red and the black are our best sellers. So that is the Ruby Crossbody, and now let's move on to the Alicia. So the Alicia Crossbody is going to come in the same packaging. And I thought it would be fun to unbox one of our new seasonal colors, the pink color. Hopefully when you're watching this, we still have this in stock because we had very limited units of this one. But I wanted to show you the new one because it has some updates to the chain and the inside. So this bag comes in black, in gray, this pink, and the seasonal olive as well. But the 2 core colors are the gray and the black, and the gray is actually our #1 bestseller. But this is a new version of the bag, and the gray and the black are actually getting an update next month. So everything that you're seeing inside of this bag, that's how the gray and the black are going to look come probably November. So if you're shopping in November, they're updated already. It has this charm which is protected with plastic, and it has this lacing on the side, this chain detailing. And it's made with sort of like a suede like material. I want to say the biggest thing that customers say is that they don't realize the material has a little bit of a shine to it. You see when I do this, you can see a little sheen on the material. And I would say it's the most visible on the black Alicia. So you can see a little bit of a sheen. And the reason why it does have the sheen is because it makes it more stain resistant. So if it didn't have the sheen, it would be just, you know, a flat suede bag. It would get dirty very quickly, especially a color like this, like the pink. Because of this kind of coating that the material has, you can wipe things off much easier and the bag is just easier to clean. So that's the material. The chain that it has, it's a high quality chain. We actually never get complaints about it breaking, which is great, but it is lightweight, so you're not going to feel like the bag is super heavy. This whole bag in its own weighs right under 1 pound, so it's actually lighter than this bag, which is kind of interesting. So it's right under 1 pound, so it's not super heavy. And then inside you have all the goodies as well. You have the dust bag I showed you earlier, you have some stuffing just to give the bag shape, and then you have the chain, which I mentioned, you know, it's a lightweight but high quality chain. And then inside we have our signature Mersi lining again, and we have 2 pockets here and a zipper pocket in the back. The closure is just a magnetic closure here to keep everything secure. Now this bag is actually very spacious. It will fit a small water bottle, small umbrella, any type size wallet. Like, it really kind of fits a lot. So you can use it not only for like a night out, but also during the day if you're just running around and you need to carry a lot of stuff. It is much more roomy than the Ruby. And now let me show you the chain situation. This is the upgrade that we made that I mentioned that is coming for the gray and black bags as well next month. So now, because you know the chain is quite long and it's very hard to make a chain adjustable, and because we have customers of all different heights, all different sizes, you know, some customers were telling us, oh, this chain is too long for me, and then others were saying this chain is too short for me. So we're like, okay, well, what do we do with that? We wanted to make it obviously work for as many customers as we could, so we decided to come up with this new way to make the chain adjustable, which is quite genius. We basically added these 2 little clips on the sides. So there's a clip on this side and on this side that allows you to unclip the chain and clip it in at any desired length. So if you're a little bit shorter and you don't want the crossbody to be as long, you can just clip it in and tuck the rest of the chain inside. And what I like to do is I actually love wearing this bag as a shoulder bag. So I will clip it quite short and use the chain as a shoulder chain. So you have to kind of clip it back into the chain link. So you clip it back at your desired length and you hide the rest of it inside. And you can also fully unclip the chain altogether and just wear it with no chain as a clutch. And now, as you can see, I have a cute little shoulder bag and I can just wear it on my shoulder like so. So that is the upgrade that we made on the Alicia, which people really like. So a lot of questions we receive are also around shipping. What are the shipping times? So everything that you're going to purchase is shipping from the United States. Okay, we don't ship international or anything like that. We ship from our warehouse. We're located in Hoboken, New Jersey. Our office and our warehouse is in the same place. So where you guys see me work out of, that is where we ship out of as well. We also do accept returns. We have a 30-day return policy. You can return just through our website by generating a label or getting in contact with our customer service that is always ready to help you out. So there you have it, guys. I've unboxed the Ruby Crossbody and the Alicia Crossbody. I hope that this gave you a little bit more of an idea of how the bags look like and feel like in real life and what your experience would be shopping with us. Thank you for hanging out with me as always. Don't forget to subscribe because we put out new videos every Friday, and of course follow us on all other social media. And until next time, I'll see you guys next Friday. Bye!